This is a beautiful 1964 Chevy Corvair Monza Coupe. Nice yellow exterior and interior trim inside with black vinyl upholstery. This car stands out because of something that it has that not many Corvairs had, and that's air conditioning. It looks like a factory installed job. There you can see under the radio is a vent, a couple vents. And back here you see some of the plumbing involved for the air conditioning. Now normally the condenser would be sitting on top of the engine where it would be cooled by the engine fan. You can see the compressor there on the right hand side. But when we get in the front of the car, you'll see where the condenser wound up on this car. Nice wire wheel covers. I videoed one of these AC cars before, at least one, I think a couple of them. Very nice interior. Now under the hood, we're going to see the condenser. And the condenser has a fan sitting on top of it to help cool it as it's working in the air conditioning system. The evaporator would be on the firewall, the inside of the car. Very nice indeed.